Car insurance in the United States is mandatory in most states. The purpose of car insurance is to protect the driver, the vehicle, and others from physical and material damage in the event of an accident. Car insurance in America. There are two main types of car insurance in the United States. Liability insurance. This is the minimum insurance required by law in most states. Liability insurance covers physical and material damage caused by the driver to others in the event of an accident. Comprehensive insurance. This is the optional type of insurance that covers damage to the car in the event of an accident, even if the driver is responsible. Comprehensive insurance also covers theft, burglary, and other accidents that occur to the car. The cost of car insurance in America. The cost of car insurance in the United States depends on many factors, including age. The older the driver is, the less likely he or she is to cause an accident, and the less expensive the insurance will be. Accident history. The more accidents a driver has, the more expensive the insurance will be. Type of vehicle. Sports cars and luxury cars are more likely to cause an accident and more expensive to insure. Area of residence. Some states have higher accident rates than others and are more expensive to insure. How to calculate car insurance in America. There are some things a driver can do to lower the cost of car insurance, including drive safely. The safer a driver drives, the less likely he or she is to cause an accident, and the less insurance costs. Get multi-line insurance. Insurance companies often offer discounts to drivers who have multi-line insurance, such as auto and home insurance. Compare prices. There are many car insurance companies available, and prices often vary from one company to another. It's important to compare prices from multiple companies to get the best deal. Tips for purchasing car insurance in America. Here are some tips for buying car insurance in the United States. Get quotes from multiple companies. As mentioned earlier, car insurance prices often vary from one company to another. It's important to compare prices from multiple companies to get the best deal. Understand what your insurance covers. Make sure you understand what your insurance covers before you buy it. There are many types of car insurance available, some cover more than others. Carefully read your insurance policy. Before signing any insurance policy, it is important to read your insurance policy carefully. This will help you understand your rights and responsibilities under the policy. Types of car insurance in America. There are two main types of car insurance in the USA. Comprehensive insurance. This type of insurance covers damage to the car itself, in addition to damage to others. Basic insurance. This type of insurance covers damage to others only. Car insurance rates in America. Car insurance rates in the USA are determined based on a range of factors including age. Younger drivers tend to pay higher premiums than older drivers. Gender. Males tend to pay higher premiums than females. Accident history. Drivers with a history of accidents tend to pay higher premiums. Type of car. More expensive cars tend to have higher premiums. Region. Insurance premiums tend to be higher in urban areas than in rural areas. Car insurance premiums in America. There are a number of things drivers can do to lower their car insurance premiums, including drive carefully to avoid accidents. Ensure that the vehicle is insured with a minimum liability. Comparison of insurance prices from different companies. Get discounts for factors like home insurance or college education. According to data from the National Auto Insurance Association, NAIC, the average cost of car insurance in the USA is $1,674 in 2022. This cost has risen by 20% in the past 5 years. Car insurance is important to protect the driver from financial liability in the event of an accident. It can also help protect the driver from financial losses resulting from repairing or replacing a damaged vehicle. Tips for reducing cost of car insurance in America. Here are some tips to reduce the cost of car insurance in the USA. Compare prices from several insurance companies. Prices can vary greatly from one company to another, so it is important to compare prices before making a decision. Get comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive insurance is more expensive than liability insurance, but it will cover you in the event of an accident, whether you're at fault or not. Get discounts. Many insurance companies offer discounts to drivers with a good driving record and drivers who purchase several policies from the same company. Get insurance from a local company. Local insurance companies are often cheaper than national insurance companies. If you are looking for a way to lower the cost of car insurance in the USA, you can try these tips. However, it is important to remember that insurance is important to protect yourself and your money in the event of an accident. Factors determining car insurance in America. The type of insurance you need depends on a range of factors, including state of residence. Insurance requirements vary from state to state. Your type of car. Newer, more expensive cars usually require more insurance than older, less expensive cars. Driving record. Drivers with a history of accidents or violations usually need to pay higher insurance premiums. You can compare car insurance rates from different companies using websites specializing in this. Reasons that affect the price of car insurance. There are many factors that affect the price of car insurance, including age and traffic record of the driver. The younger the driver and the fewer accidents he has on his traffic record, the lower the insurance price. Type of vehicle. Sports cars and motorcycles tend to be more expensive to insure than family cars. Geographic region. Insurance prices vary from one region to another based on traffic accident rates in that region. Other insurances the driver carries. If the driver carries other insurances such as home or life insurance, he or she may receive a discount on car insurance. How to choose car insurance. When choosing car insurance, you should consider the following factors. How much you can afford. You should choose an insurance policy that you can afford in terms of cost. The type of coverage you need. You should choose a policy that covers you and your family's needs. Compare prices. You should compare prices from different insurance companies before making your decision. Car insurance companies in America. Here are some companies that offer car insurance for expats: Geico, State Farm, Allstate, Progressive, Farmers. You can also use online insurance comparison sites to find the best deal. Car insurance price in America. The price of car insurance in America depends on a range of factors, including type of car. Luxury and sports cars are more expensive than economical cars. Age. Younger drivers are more likely to cause accidents and therefore pay higher insurance premiums. Accident history. Drivers with a history of accidents are more likely to pay higher insurance premiums. Location. Insurance rates vary by state or town.